welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. So if you're new, hi, I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A Spoonie is somebody who lives with a chronic condition, and a Stitcher is somebody who makes things with textiles. However, I love all creativity over here, whether that's baking, cooking, film, animation, drawing, textile arts, anything, sculpting, anything at all. Anything is good over here. Anything that expresses creativity and allows your creativity juices to flow, I'm all about. So today is Funko Friday. I have never done one of these before. Please bear with me. I believe Funko Friday was started by my new friend, Connie, at Connie Loves Disney. And, but the person who inspired me to do this is actually Meg, at Meg the Dizzy Geek. I love her channel. I love both their channels. Go check out their channels. They're linked below. Have I said channels enough time in this video? Anyway. I'm a collector. As you can see, collecting is one of the things I do. If you saw the trailer before this video. Please don't skip those. I work hard on those. But anyway, collecting is one of the things I love to do. However, I'm not a normal collector. I don't really collect sets, and I don't really collect like, oh my gosh, I love this character. I have to have everything in this character. No. And if they make, you know, if they keep making a Funko of like the same movie, oh my gosh, I gotta keep collecting that movie. No, I collect what I like. For example, which still goes with Halloween, so I can mention it, Wicked is one of my absolute favorite Broadway shows of all time. It's very important to me. It's very special to me. I actually have a video on my channel if you want to know why. Look up Wicked Diaries playlist. The first one, tell you everything you need to know. But there's only one Funko Pop that I've actually seen that I'm going, oh yeah, I want that one. All the others I'm kind of like, meh. So, yeah. It's just the way it goes. So, I have a bunch of random Halloween themed Funkos, and since I got my Halloween decorations out, I figured, oh, this was the perfect time to do this. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy my collection, I guess. So for those who don't know, I am a huge Addams Family fan, and I'm talking all kinds of Addams Family. However, I am particularly fond of the 1960s television show. So, my friend Lemon, you've heard me mention her a few times on this channel, surprised me, and she got me the Entertainment Earth exclusive black and white Gomez and Morticia Addams. So you can see her dress, her typical pose, and I love that it's black and white. I know they made the color ones, and that's great, but I love that it's black and white. I think that is too fun. So, yeah. They have others in this collection, which I do kind of want to get. This is one of the only collections I want the whole set. This is one of the only ones. I also don't need Gomez and Morticia, the separate ones, because yeah, they're in color, but they're the exact same pose. So I don't need those, you know? But I want Wednesday, I want Pugsley, I want Uncle Fester and Cousin It. However, I only need one of each, and I know that there's now 2 Uncle Festers. I would prefer to get the one with the house, because, oh my gosh, the house. Wednesday with her doll is really, really cute, but I also love Wednesday dancing, so I don't know which one I want. And then there's only one Pugsley, but there's always an exception to the rule. Morticia in her chair came out this year. It does not get more iconic than Morticia in her chair. So that one's on my list. So the Addams Pops, I kind of want to collect them all, but I'm not sure yet. But again, I only need one of each character because I don't need, like, what am I going to do with the second one? You know, that's the one that I would like to collect one day. We'll see. The other collection I have right now, I am only missing 2. So, you know, I could collect them all, but at the same time, of course, they're the 2 that are the most expensive and the most hard to find. Personally, I don't spend an arm and a leg on my collections. So it's made of plastic. I'm not going to spend an enormous amount to get something made of plastic. I'm just not. That's just me. If you do that, no shame. No shame, no judgment. I just personally, 1, can't really afford that, and 2, don't see the point in my own life. So Please nobody come at me in the comments. Thank you. I love Rocky Horror Picture Show. Let's just put that out there. I love Rocky Horror Picture Show. So I have Riff Raff, the Butler. I have Magenta, the Maid. I have Janet. Warning, Janet is in her undergarments. So it basically looks like she's wearing a bikini with a wrap, though. I'll be honest. I mean, seriously, it looks like she's wearing a bikini top with a little wrap around her. With her purse. And Brad. Brad is in a bathrobe. Okay, so they do have Dr. F and Columbia. I would like to get those one day if I can. It would be nice to have all 6. So I don't know if anyone ever does this. That's not true. Teacup for One did once. I've heard him do that. But I would like to talk real briefly about 2 pops I think would make amazing additions to this set. First of all, Eddie. Where is Eddie? Eddie on the motorcycle. If you know the movie, you know. Or the play. Where is Eddie? Eddie on the motorcycle. Who wouldn't want that? I do. I want that one. Dr. F in the doctor outfit. With the you know what. Where's Rocky? Where is Rocky? So I'm just saying, there are more pops that need to be added. Also, I don't know if they can do this because of how their heads are made. I'm not 100% they could do this, but would this not be cute? You know the moment when they walk in the doors and they're soaking wet from the storm and Janet is like holding on to Brad and he's got his arm around her and stuff, but he's facing this way and she's facing this way? That would be so cute as a pop. Like together. They're attached to each other. I think that would be really cute. Do you guys have any ideas? If you don't know from last year, from any of my videos, I love a good Batman villain. And 2 of my favorites are Poison Ivy and Catwoman. Now, did you know in the 1960s Batman, they were originally going to do a Poison Ivy episode with Barbara Rhodes. Barbara Rhodes was going to play Poison Ivy. They even made a poster, which they took down 10 years ago. At least 10 years ago. I can't find it since. And I think I have a screenshot of it somewhere in my files and files of pictures. But they made the poster, and then she couldn't do it. And Adam West said, nope, nobody else. Barbara, or we just won't do the episode. So they didn't do the episode. And now they took down the poster. Why? What was wrong with the poster? But you can't find it. I've tried. Anyway. So yeah, she was originally going to be on the show. But my favorite Batman villain that was on the show is Catwoman. Because she's perfect. My favorite Catwoman is Julie Newmar. I love Julie Newmar. Can you see her in there? Yes, her outfit is sparkly. How awesome is that? It's Julie Newmar. Ugh. It's not just any Catwoman. It's Julie Newmar Catwoman, who actually was supposed to be Catwoman forever. She was supposed to be in the movie, and she was supposed to be in the TV show. She was in Seven Brides for Seven Brothers. She was in episodes of The Twilight Zone. She was a dancer. Julie Newmar was in so many things and not enough things. I love her so much. Because I grew up on those movies, when I actually saw the television show, also when I was small, but when I saw it, I recognized her immediately and I was like, that's Julie Newmar. And that just made me absolutely fall in love with her. To this day, I regret not getting the Julie Newmar Barbie. That was Catwoman. So at least I have to have the pop. Years ago, I had the Poison Ivy original Batman the Animated Series pop, but I don't know what happened to her. I would never have sold her because Poison Ivy is one of my absolute favorite villains of all time. Like, not just Batman, but just of all time. I don't know where she went. This year, they made Batman and Robin. I know. A lot of people hate that movie. I know. It's tacky, but it's fun, okay? So they made Uma Thurman, Poison Ivy, in my favorite outfit she wears in the entire film. That one's on my Christmas list. I want that one. So, yeah. Anybody else love the show Once Upon a Time? I absolutely love it, except season 7. What was that? What was season 7? What? Stop at season 6. It was fine. It was fine. It went full circle. The only saving grace for season 7 for me was the very, very, very end. But you could have tacked that onto season 6 so easily. My favorite villain, Halloween, you know, Zelina. Nope, she's not green. Not in this version. If you don't know, she is the Wicked Witch of the West. Which, yeah, kind of explains why I like her, huh? Oh, I love this. And this is one of my favorite outfits she wears, too. They also apparently made Regina with the fireball, Belle in her little warrior outfit, and Hook with Excalibur. Belle would be cool. But anyway, I have Zelina, and I'm happy, and I love her. Actually was her one. Miss Peregrine's Home for Peculiar Children. I did a whole video about this last year on my Tim Burton Tuesday videos. If you want to go see, there's a playlist on my channel. Tim Burton Tuesday, really easy to find. Watch all of them, I'm proud of them. But anyway, I did one about Miss Peregrine. So you can see the Peregrine Falcon. They've even got the blue in her hair. I love it. Her little crossbow. I'm a massive Eva Green fan. I love Eva Green. And she played Miss Peregrine, so automatically I was like, well, I like Miss Peregrine now. But anyway, that's my pop. I like this one a lot. They also made Jake, Emma. I do have Emma. I just don't know where she is. She must be in a box somewhere. But I do have Emma. The Baron and the twins. So if you want to see. I do have Emma. If I can find a picture, I will put her up here somewhere. I might even have Jake. I might have gotten, they may have just had those 3 when I bought mine. But yeah. I forgot. I do have one more. Zero! I'm a huge Zero fan. Nightmare Before Christmas. I love Zero. So he's a little dingy. He's gotten a little beaten up. I have no idea where his box is. But yeah. I had a lot more Nightmare Before Christmas pops years ago. If you don't know, my nickname is Sally because I'm a redhead made of stitches. Oh, I wish I was kidding. I'm not. So my friend gave me the nickname Sally because of Nightmare Before Christmas. But there's other reasons too. I do have other things in common with Sally besides that. But that's why she calls me that. So she's gotten me a bunch of Sally related things. And people get me Sally related things, which I think is fun. Bring on the Sally. Sally's awesome. I love Sally. But my favorite character in that movie is Zero. It's a ghost puppy. How can you not love a ghost puppy? So, yeah. I don't know where his box is. I love his little tail. By the way, I crocheted him too. How did I do? So here's mine. What do we think? I think I did okay. So, that's my last pop. I have a few more pops. Not many. I do own the limited edition Fantastic Beasts Akami. It's one of my favorites. And I have the, I think it's the 10-inch Maleficent Dragon. I got it in a Funko treasure box. Remember when they used to do those? Long time ago? Yeah, I got that in a Funko treasure box. So I do have those two. I have a bunch of dog ones. I have Lady and the Tramp. I have Doug from Up. I have Gidget and Max from Secret Life of Pets. Yeah, because if you don't know, I collect Disney dogs. So anything Disney dogs, I love. Bring on the Disney dogs. That's my favorite. So if you guys ever want to see my Disney dog collection, let me know. May have to have a picture of this guy because he may have to go back in the Halloween box. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe we'll put him with the other dogs. Not sure. But thank you so much for being here today. I hope I did Funko Friday correctly. I'm not really sure. I think you can just search for the hashtag Funko Friday and you can see other people's videos. So it's kind of like Pin Me Up Wednesday where you type in the hashtag in the search bar and you can find everybody else's videos. So yeah, but thank you so much for being here today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye!